Mastering Power BI, a step-by-step approach for beginners. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics tool developed by Microsoft. It empowers users to visualize and share insights from their data through interactive and visually appealing reports and dashboards. What is DAX in Power BI? DAX, which stands for Data Analysis Expressions, is a formula language used in Power BI, as well as other Microsoft tools like Excel and SQL Server Analysis Services, for creating custom calculations and aggregations on data models. What is it used for? It is specifically designed for working with tabular data models and is instrumental in performing calculations, creating new calculated columns or measures, and generating insights from data. BI's vast potential. Power BI's vast potential lies in its ability to transform raw data into actionable insights, thereby empowering businesses and individuals to make informed decisions that drive growth and efficiency. How to learn Power BI. Set clear goals. Determine your learning objectives. Online resources. Utilize online platforms that offer tutorials, courses, and documentation. Official documentation. Microsoft's official Power BI documentation is an excellent resource for understanding concepts, functions, and best practices. Start with basics. Begin by learning the basics of Power BI, including data connections, data transformation with Power Query, and creating simple visualizations like charts and tables. Hands-on practice. Learning by doing is crucial. BI job opportunities. Business intelligence analyst analyzes data trends, patterns, and provides insights to support business decisions. Data analyst collects, cleans, and interprets data to help organizations make informed decisions. Data engineer designs and builds data pipelines, warehouses, and ETL processes to ensure efficient data flow. BI developer creates and maintains BI solutions, including designing data models, writing SQL queries, and building dashboards. Conclusion. Power BI stands as a versatile and powerful tool in the realm of business intelligence and data analysis. Its ability to transform raw data into actionable insights empowers organizations and individuals to make informed decisions that drive growth and efficiency.